everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a video on hey everyone, today is going to be a little bit different since there was a ABS-CBN ball. I think that was just yesterday or the day before that. I wanted to do a reaction reaction video on the gowns and the dresses because they are absolutely stunning, and some I'm like If you want to see a tutorial on this look, I will be having it posted up on my channel soon. I'll just be linking that down below. It's an autumn look, and I used the 3502 by Morphe. So, there's a fan. I know that a lot of you won't necessarily agree with me, but let's just see the dresses, and we can go back and forth. You can comment in the comments down below about what you think, your opinions, and who do you think is your best dress. Just don't hate me. Let's get into the hashtag ABS-CBN Ball 2018 on Instagram. I did watch the live of this on television. I'm not sure if it was live, but it was kind of live. Kim Chiu and Sian Lim. I absolutely love her gown. Her gown was hand painted, and it's an amazing, beautiful gown. It's stunning. It turns out she didn't really talk with Sian Lim about what she was wearing, so they matched, and it's absolutely amazing, and I love it. Actually, really like this this couple best dressed thing. I think they should have won like best dressed couple because of how coordinated their looks are, but they didn't even talk about it. They didn't even discuss it. Next is Kylie Versace. I really like her gown. It's very Gatsby for me, and I absolutely love that it's sheer at the bottom, so you can see it's like she's wearing a swimsuit in a way. The cut, the bottom, I don't know what you call that cut, and I really like it. Although I don't think she's not my best dressed. She's stunning though, but I think it's a little tiny bit costumey. Just don't hate me. Just a tiny bit, but it's a gorgeous gown. Enrique Hill and Liza Soberano. I absolutely love Liza, so I might be biased. I don't think she's the best dressed. I think she was wearing Alexander McQueen, if I'm not mistaken. But I think she's the most beautiful. She's just absolutely gorgeous, absolutely stunning, and her gown is beautiful. It's just kind of a little too simple to be like my best dressed. But she's so beautiful, and I love the bangs. The bangs are always something that it's if you see the bangs, it's her. She started that trend, something like that. Although kudos to whoever thought about that, and they brought it back. And I absolutely think that red lip, she's just so stunning. She's so beautiful. Like, wow, she's gorgeous. Next is Yassi Pressman. I like the side boob feature in her red dress, but I feel like the dress is just too simple. It's good that it was red, but I feel like the dress is just a little too simple for like this big of an event. This is the first time they're having like an ABS-CBN ball. The Star Magic ball is different. I don't know, she's gorgeous, but the dress is just like a little underwhelming for me, especially seeing all the other dresses. Just don't hate me. Next is Miss Universe Philippines 2008, Catriona Eliza Gray. I love her name, Gray. I like her dress, although I find it weird, the side part kind of weird with that mesh thing. I kind of wish she just removed that mesh. And the skirt looks nice, but only at certain angles, because I did see it on television, and I was like, is there something wrong with the skirt? Like, is there like something? But overall, she is gorgeous. She is stunning. I feel like the skirt there's something a little bit off with the skirt. That just, by the way, disclaimer, this is just my opinions. Please don't take it to heart. Just don't hate me. Please. You have your own opinions, and I totally respect that. Just comment down below. It's okay. Let's just have a friendly discussion. Next is Bae Alonso. She's beautiful. She is rocking that like coral red lip, and that really, everything else is just so understated with the lashes, and then she has that red lip, which is absolutely stunning. I see her in a red gown with ribbons at the back. The red one is nice, but I feel like it's a little too heavy. I mean, she's a very, very tall woman. I'd really like to see Bea in something really nice and fresh and light. Just because her beauty is just so fresh, and I think seeing her in a gown that's a little bit more fresh would really spice things up. I don't know, just my opinion again. But she looks stunning. Very simple makeup, very simple hair. But I'd still like to see her in something a little bit more light, a little bit more, not this kind of texture, not this kind of cloth material. I want to see her in something a little bit more light, a little bit more airy. Just don't hate me. I feel like I have to say that every single time. Just my opinion. Just my opinion. Next, Mai, which is like kind of one of the crowd favorites. Her gown is absolutely stunning. What I don't like about her gown is the skirt part when she walks. Again, I did see this on television. And I feel like the skirt was just, it was quite uncomfortable for her because she was wearing like a tulip type of gown or like a mermaid, and she was like having a hard time, I find, walking. And the gown is stunning though. It takes great photographs and it is beautiful. Her skin is beautiful against that color, that blush, pink blush color. But it's a beautiful gown. Beautiful gown. I kind of like the earring on Daniel Padilla's ear. I kind of like it. It's kind of different. Let's go to Kathryn Bernardo. Her gown is so mature, stunning. It's so mature. Not worthy of a best dress in my opinion, but don't hate me. It's very mature. It's a very, I agree with the commentators. They were saying it was like a very Tom Ford cut, and I agree. And I love it. I actually really like this dress on her. It really shows that she's all grown up, and I really like it. Miss Maha Salvador. I love her look. This is 100% Gatsby. I love her look. I love her makeup. It's very light and like nude and fresh. I absolutely love it. Yeah, it's a little bit costumey, but not too much. Like, it's just the right amount of pizzazz. It's just got the right amount of, you know, ba-ba-boom. Even the feathers, she kind of worked it in. It's hard to pull off feathers, and she did very nicely because it's not like overwhelming. I really like this gown, and I really like her makeup, and I really like the way she carried herself on the runway. It was on the red carpet. It was really, really nice. Sarah Geronimo is wearing a beautiful gown. It's like white with like those a very sharp, maybe tapered. Is that the term? Tapered, heart cut, sweetheart neckline. I like it. It's very interesting because it's not just a sweetheart neckline. It's like it has a cut at the sides, which is very nice. I think this is very beautiful. It's very simple but elegant. It's mature. It's very Sarah, I think, and I like it. Next is Angelica Pangaliban. I like the color of her gown, but I don't know, I feel like it's just such an ordinary looking gown. Sorry. Just don't hate me. The color is absolutely stunning. I've never seen this color on the red carpet. And it's beautiful. The front just looks a little bit, it's beautiful, but the cut with the folds, I don't know, it feels a little off to me, especially because she's very heavy chested, and I feel like it just weighs the front down a little bit. But I absolutely love the color. The color is amazing. Gonzalez. She looks absolutely stunning. She looks like a goddess, actually. She's so elegant. The way she carries herself is that cut on her shoulders. It's just it's timeless, and I love it. But I feel like it's a beautiful dress. I feel like it's just a little bit too simple. It's just like really big and really white. James Reid and Nadine Lustre. Nadine Lustre really knows how to like get out of the box. This is getting out of the box. This is different. Like, not everybody can pull this off, and she definitely did. I do love that leg with that like little bit of lace, and I love it. I love it. It's so different, and it's definitely not something you'd see very often. And it's very sexy, and I love her morena skin against that shimmery, starry black. It's beautiful. I like it. I like the way she brought herself. And even James Reid, I actually really like his like there's like these, I don't know what they're called, like belt things. I really like the strap things. I think they go together really well, and I really like this couple. I think they should have also won like one of the best dressed couples, just because of how different it is, you know. Oh yes, this is one of my favorites, Pia Werkbach. I can't pronounce her name to save my life. Pia is absolutely stunning. Pia is absolutely stunning. Her hair is, it's different, but it works. Her gown is light, but it's sparkly. It hugs her body really nicely. Her legs are so long. Those heels are perfect. They're very simple, strappy, but they go with the gown. I love this look. It's gorgeous. She looks like a Hollywood star. She's amazing. She looks gorgeous, and the way she carries herself is always, it's always so graceful. The way she carries herself, like she's so regal, like, and I love her. Yes, I love her. Angel Locsin. I'm not sure if this is like a bronze dress or like a gold dress, because the lighting is a little off in the picture, but this is a very unique dress. I've never seen anybody wear this kind of dress. To me, it's a little bit old for Angel. Don't hate me. Her look is very fresh. It's like hair slicked back, like wet look. But the dress color is just like, I don't know. She looks absolutely gorgeous. The cut is amazing. I love the cut. I love the pleating. I love that skirt. But it's a gorgeous dress on her, actually. Just, for me, it's just not the best. Just don't hate me. Julia Barreto, she kind of copied Paris Hilton and Kendall Jenner with this. When I saw this, I was like, oh, Paris Hilton, Kendall Jenner. I like it. She looks stunning. I love that side boob. How it drapes in the front. Beautiful blush pink. I love it. I love the bangs. I love it all. I don't know. I love it. I like it. Yeah, it's just Paris and Kendall kind of wore those to parties, and she's wearing it in the ball, so it just kind of sets me off a little, just a little bit. But she's absolutely stunning. This, she rocked it, she worked it. Not everybody thought that she would be able to pull this off, because, you know, she's very almost kind of conservative. Then she goes and wears this and surprises everyone, and that's amazing. You might be wondering why I'm not speaking Tagalog. I can't really express myself in Tagalog because English is my first language, so I'm sorry. Sorry. Halfies in the house, half-bloods. Don't hate me. Okay, this is gonna be the last one I'm gonna be talking about, and just because her last gown just was amazing, and now it was kind of this is I don't know how to pronounce her name, I'm so sorry, but her gown is made by Boom Sason. I'm not sure if I pronounced it right. Last year her gown was absolutely stunning. This year I was expecting something so much more stunning, and kind of like it was kind of underwhelming for me, because her gown last year for the last ball was so stunning and so amazing, and then this gown is a little bit more understated, and it's a beautiful gown though. I think Boom Sason is a genius, but this gown was just underwhelming based on comparing it to the last ball she attended. This is oh gosh, I'm so sorry. Chiana Rosa Filomeno. So sorry, I'm murdering your name, so sorry. She looks beautiful in the gown. It's just I prefer her first gown in the Star Magic Ball, I believe. It's more, you know, captivates you more, and I kind of prefer that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Which of them were your best dressed? I actually kind of really like, out of the people I talked about, okay, Eric's just kind of like up there, because of how elegant it seems, big and white, and it's just like when she enters the room, she enters with such finesse. It's not only about the gown, it's also how you bring yourself. And I think, yeah, she's deserving of the best dressed female. But there are so many other artists that I wasn't able to discuss or to talk about in this video who I think deserves also a lot of like Best Dressed awards. I think they should have like come up with like 5 Best Dressed and then 1 Queen Best Dressed, you know? Like good dressed and then best dressed or something like that. So because the effort you take to look good and all the money you spend to buy a gown is it's a lot. It's a lot. There are so many artists who are not like so big, who are absolutely stunning in their gowns, who I didn't even talk about, but they don't seem to get the same attention that other bigger artists get. Of course, it's reality. It's not, I mean, again, it's unfair, but it's reality, and it's just a little sad that they spend so much and they're not really recognized, even if they deserve to be recognized. I'm not hating, but yeah, that's just my opinion. Like, I kind of wish that there was more acknowledgement to the smaller artists, and not only to the famous ones. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the reaction video. And who is your best dressed? I'm not talking about females because it's hard to talk about males because I don't really know much of male fashion. So if you have a best dress, please comment down below telling me why I'm wrong and why I might be right. And yeah, who is your best dress? Maybe I didn't mention somebody, I didn't see somebody who's amazing, who looks amazing. I'd really like to research and look around some more. It's just this video is going to be like 2 hours long, so I had to cut it. But yeah, okay, I feel like I'm going to get so much hate for this video. I'm so sorry. Just don't hate me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!